To thrive amidst disruption, your value chains must become agile and resilient. A new normal requires new ideas and solutions. It's time to explore new possibilities at the DELMIA Operations World Tour 2020. This October, join us for a week-long virtual event as we cover every major industry through over 20 online sessions. Discover new strategies to evolve your operations. Explore DELMIA solutions with our experts. Engage with industry leaders in live Q&A sessions. Find out what it takes to lead in uncertain times. Only at the DELMIA Operations World Tour 2020. Register now.